If somebody has loan requirement, can he take loan on his insurance policies? How much and how he can take loan on his insurance policies? And my next question would be, can he take loan on his insurance policies, all his insurance policies?
Well, I think loan depends on two things. As far as traditional plans are concerned, they acquire a surrender value in most cases at the end of 3 years, which means that at the end of 3 years for a certain value you can give it back to the company. At the end of 3 years you would typically be eligible for a loan of about 90% of the surrender value, and mostly from the insurance company itself. Interest rates can vary extremely widely. I mean, the largest life insurance company, LIC, gives it at 10% today, but that rate keeps changing. And other insurance companies might also give it at rates similar. There are insurance companies that give it at 14% as well. So it need not necessarily be the cheapest possible source of financing. There are banks which will give you loan against the surrender value of your policy, and sometimes those loans are cheaper than what the insurance companies themselves will give you. So find out before you take a loan against a regular money back endowment or a child plan. As far as unit linked insurance plan or ULIP plans are concerned, not every insurance company is willing to give a loan against it. Again, it needs to acquire a surrender value. It needs to be surrenderable back to the insurance company for the fund value for it to be eligible for getting a loan. Sometimes the insurance companies themselves will give you that loan. In a ULIP, typically the loan value will not exceed 50% or 40 to 50% of the fund value, whether you take it from the insurance company or whether you take it from a bank. Recently, of course, the insurance regulator is not very happy at insurance companies giving a loan against the fund values, and in future policies we may not see the possibility of getting a loan.